Pinegrow comes equipped with a variety of powerful editing helpers to make your workflow much smoother. First up is the device size menu, located right here in the top of the page view. This incredible tool lets you instantly change the size of the page view, simulating how your design will look on various screens. This makes it super easy to check your responsive design across different device sizes, from small mobile phones to large desktops. In the top toolbar, you'll find the zoom controls. By default, the zoom is set to fit. This handy setting automatically adjusts the page zoom, ensuring your entire design is always visible within the available canvas space. For detailed, pixel-perfect adjustments, you can easily set the zoom to 100% or even higher to get a closer look. For general layout work, it's usually best to keep it set to fit for an optimal overview. Next, we have the essential undo and redo buttons. Don't worry about making mistakes, because Pinegrow lets you undo up to 100 of your most recent actions, giving you complete freedom to experiment. Now let's look at a common scenario. Notice this element at the bottom has its own border styling. When we select it, Pinegrow's blue selection outline can sometimes overlap and hide the element's actual border, making it hard to see your design clearly. That's exactly where the Toggle Visual Helpers button comes in handy. With a single click, you can temporarily hide all the editor overlays. As you can see, the element remains selected in the tree panel, but the blue outline and menu are hidden, giving you an unobstructed view of your design. Simply click the button again to bring the helpers back. Clicking the small arrow next to this icon opens a menu with more granular control. From here, you can individually toggle different visual helpers, like element outlines or the selection menu, and even customize their colors to perfectly suit your preferences. Occasionally, during complex edits, the page preview might not update correctly. If that happens, your first step should be to use the Refresh button. This will simply reload the page within the editor, resolving most display issues. To see exactly how your page will look to a visitor, you can open it directly in your web browser. This live preview shows the current state of your work without needing to save first. And that covers the essential editing helpers. You're now equipped with the tools to navigate your design with precision. Let's complete this lesson and move on.